quick workshop tour. Streaming setup all the way from there to there. Main work area, jerry-rigged V-tubing, face tracking nonsense, camera arm, mic arm, all hooked up through the cables, all the way back to the computer. Chat reading setup, main tool wall, plushie collection, in reversed order, sorry. More shelves, more stuff, glow clamps, workstation with metal working stuff, some tools for making guitars, my electric power tools wall underneath. Downstairs we got the rough working area with all the storage shelves for timbers I got from work, my previous jobs. All the varnish, glues, construction adhesive, dehumidifiers, a restoration project I was quickly working on in between, my random stuff corner where the toilet is gonna go, more storage shelves with random garbage, old computer. Yeah, still gotta sort everything out. More storage shelves for bigger, more important pieces of wood for the next project mainly. My plywood and fiberboard and everything. Yeah, that's it. I built everything myself. I even put in the electrics myself. I still gotta hook up all the water stuff that's really annoyingly placed. But for my next project, I will be making a D&D table live on stream on Twitch. If you want to see it, follow, like and subscribe. I will post the streaming schedule in the community tab and on my Twitter. And hopefully, if everything is going alright, I will be streaming on the 25th of January. So don't forget, subscribe, like, maybe leave a comment on how much of a concrete hell box this is, a concrete coffin, and hopefully I'll see you next weekend.